Picture your space in a cozy embrace, evoking memories of crisp leaves, festive gatherings. Create your own Autumn Zest Diffuser Blend and dive into the essence of autumn. Hi, I'm Terry from Simply Earth. I love teaching people how to make products from natural ingredients that can be used every day in your home. In this video, you'll learn how to make a diffuser blend that will fill your home with the warm, inviting scents of Simply Earth's Defender Blend, Tangerine, and Palmarosa essential oils, which capture the spirit of the season. This recipe comes from Simply Earth's October 2024 Essential Oil Recipe Box. Gives you everything you need to make this diffuser blend that you can feel good about. One of the significant issues consumers face today is the overwhelming number of commercial products that claim to offer emotional support through aromatherapy. Unfortunately, many of these products are laden with synthetic additives, harsh chemicals that not only mislead consumers who are looking for genuine support for their well-being, but also compromise their health. Autumn Zest Diffuser Blend, who doesn't love that name, gives you a natural homemade alternative that prioritizes quality, so prepare to transform your home into a fragrant haven that will delight your senses and calm your mind. So turn off those distractions because making is healing. So let's make this Autumn Zest Diffuser Blend from Simply Earth now. Let's make this together. 3 drops of tangerine, 2 drops of Palmarosa, 1 drop of Defender, use your favorite diffuser. I'm using Simply Earth Stone Diffuser, and I know you're gonna love this scent so much, you're gonna wanna make a master blend. You're gonna wanna grab a 5 ml amber bottle from your big bonus box so you can make a master blend and smell this all the time. So let's make the master blend together. You want 50 drops of tangerine, 33 drops of Palmarosa, 17 drops of Defender. You're gonna love how this smells naturally amazing, and it's made with love. It's gonna make a house healthier and happier. You can make this too. Diffuser blends are so easy to make. Get your October 2024 Essential Oil Recipe Box from Simply Earth and experience the joy of creating a diffuser blend that you, yes you, can feel good about. I love to see your creations on social media. So when you make this recipe, and I know you will, take a picture of it and tag from Simply Earth and add hashtag I made this so that I can see it and you can automatically be entered into our hashtag I made this challenge, and you could win a $5 gift card towards Simply Earth product. Like and follow more for natural recipes like this one.